Hello good people, hope you're doing well. In today's video we're going to review my air fryer. It's a Kenwood air fryer with you, and just have a feel of whether it is a worthwhile purchase or it is actually something you would consider if you never thought about it before. So let's do this. So this is the air fryer. I think I'll just bring the camera closer and face the other side because I feel like we're not giving it justice. Anyway, let's just lower the camera a bit. Yeah, so this is the air fryer. First thing is I love the shape. You can see how beautiful it looks. Let's look at it. Yeah, I love the shape. Don't you? Don't you love the shape? Actually, when I was shopping, I didn't know the shape. So the first thing is, it has this detachable rack. Of course, I've used it. I'll definitely share the recipe. And it has this base. So cleaning is very easy because, so we'll start with cleaning. It's very easy because I can clean this surface, and also these two are detachable. You see this thing has an arrow, so you move it to the front, you press in here, there's a button here, to press, so you press it. Actually it has struggled because of my nails, but we will make do. You press it. Hey guys, hey, this nails is a struggle. Yeah, but basically it's detachable. If you're struggling like me, come up with ways of solving your problem. So I use this one to press. I use the stick knife to press. Yeah, so this is the rack. You can see it. And then you can see this one. This is where the residue goes. Yeah. And this has given us the options of what the air fryer can do. It can fry different types of food. It can grill different types of food. It can roast, and it can bake. I've never tried baking, but I will definitely do that and I will share with you. You can see the features of the air fryer. It is a big one. It is double XL, that is 5.5 liter, 2.4 kgs equivalent. And then it's digital. And then it says it uses hot rapid air circulation system. And then it talks of you use 90% less oil when you're cooking, which is very true. And then when you buy this particular brand, it comes with a recipe book. I will try a few recipes in that book and we see how it goes. So basically that's it. So we can just put this one back. Yeah, you see? And it looks so durable. We have had a relationship for a few months, and I have no complaints at all. So I don't know whether the recipe was on offer. So here is the recipe, and it has the different foods you can cook. Actually, you can do fries, you can do this, they are calling patea with meat sabosik, pitas, you can do pitas, you can do all these recipes that you can see here. Chicken nuggets, you can actually make chips. I didn't know. I will try this. Yeah, you can also make spiced potatoes. You can also make chicken tikka. Wow, I'm actually amazed. You can make shrimp. You can make manakish. That one I don't know what it is. And this one is called kabsa. This one is called Daud Basha. Fillet with mignon paprika. I will definitely try some of this. lamb chops, yeah, salmon, grilled chicken with lemon. This one we have tried. Check out our previous video. It's a yeah, I didn't know it can make pizza. I'm also going to definitely try this one. The cooking time is 35 minutes. I will have to try. Yeah, and of course they talk of cupcakes. I will also try, and cookies. So most of these recipes I will try and see which ones I'll be able to hack, and I will share with you. So here is the manual. It just gives you the different places, the different pieces of the air fryer, and then it gives you how to use. Some of these things you discover by yourself, by the way. At least this one is in English, so we are able to use it. Yeah. So the next thing is just to show you the basics of the items that you can cook with. Let me just turn the camera a bit. So here are the items that you can cook using this air fryer. These are chips or French fries. We have these, I can't remember. Oh, these are shrimps. No, and these are, okay, me, I'm assuming these two are seafoods. I'm not very sure. Then you can do cupcakes, you can do drumsticks, you can also do this one, I'm not sure what it is also, and you can do fish. As you can see, it's an K healthy fry, so it just uses air to fry. Let me tell you, this is one of the best purchases because it actually cooks within a short time. It cooks healthy meals and it is safe. Yeah. But I'll tell you the truth. This thing, 20 minutes, the food will not be ready. So for me, if it has said here 15 minutes to 20 minutes, I do 15 minutes on one side, then I turn the other side to cook the other side of the meal. So it's basically like 30 minutes. But within that time they have specified here, if you cook one side for 15 minutes, the other side for 15 minutes, the food will be ready. I made chicken yesterday and my mom does not eat the top part. But my friend, yesterday he enjoyed the whole drumstick like never before. Because after that, I fried a bit. I'm not sure whether I will share the video here or in a subsequent video. But honestly, that chicken slapped. If you have ever tried cooking in an air fryer, comment down below your experience. Mine has been amazing. Everything turns brown, it's fully cooked and all that, because you can see the temperatures are really high. So the food has to cook, definitely. That's it for our review of the Kenwood air fryer. Okay. Yeah, so this is an amazing product, a worthwhile purchase. We are almost, maybe 1 year, we are almost clocking 1 year, and the service has been amazing, no complaints. So it's a worthwhile purchase. We have decided to have a giveaway for 500 subscribers, and we're not going to do it immediately. We are going to give it time. So we are starting a new week tomorrow, and we post on Mondays and Thursdays. So tomorrow is a Monday, so Monday 25th, I think it's 25th, yes, Monday 25th. From Monday 25th, if you comment on all our videos and you ensure you are subscribed everywhere, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and you're active in all of them, and you're always liking, sharing, and you tag us if you share, and you also comment on all our videos, we're going to give a giveaway. I'm not going to be able to tell what it will be. A few things that we will consider as our giveaways kitchen items, and a dinner date. So give us of course not such items. To be honest, at this point of my channel, I'm not even monetized. I may not be able to give big purchases to the subscribers. So, but if you grow me, you never know. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, because you never know that time when we will be monetized and there will be money coming and we can be able to buy even big items for our subscribers. If you have been following me on Just World, you know I'm all about charity and giving back to the society. So it will not be different here. So what we are asking from you is you please, let's support this channel. Let's subscribe if you have not subscribed. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing, and follow us on all our socials. We are going to share what we are going to give away shortly. And give us a reason to give you that gift. We have a big gift. Actually, it's significant and it can have an impact in your kitchen, but we cannot give it until we are monetized. So let's get to 1,000, then see what we can give. And don't look at it as a small gift. Appreciate it as we grow, because that will just be the beginning. We will keep rewarding our subscribers. You are supporting us. The best thing we can do is give back to you. So let's have a reason to give back to you. For I will be reading all your comments, likes, shares, and everything. I'll just be on the lookout for the person I will start tracking. At the end of October, we're going to give our first giveaway, as long as I see active members. If I don't give a giveaway, it's because I have not seen someone who is full-time supporting us. So don't go come at me that I promised a giveaway and I'm not giving away. If you support us from tomorrow, from Monday 25th video all the way to end of October, be sure that that gift will come to you. And it will be consistent. The more you become active, the more we will give back to you for supporting us. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on our next one. Bye.